Welcome back to session 15 of GED Advanced Graphs and Functions. Absolute value functions make a distinctive V shape on the graph, and they measure distance from a center point. Today we find the vertex, use the symmetry of the V, and solve simple absolute value equations. Let's build it slowly. Absolute value measures distance, and distance is never negative. The absolute value of 5 is 5, and the absolute value of negative 5 is also 5, because both are 5 units from 0. That is why an absolute value graph never dips below its vertex. Distance simply cannot be negative. This idea drives everything today. Absolute value functions come in a friendly form. Y equals the absolute value of x minus h plus k. The point h comma k is the vertex, the tip of the V. Here's the tricky part. The h is inside with a minus sign, so its sign flips. The k is outside, and its sign stays the same. Let's read a vertex carefully, because signs matter. In y equals the absolute value of x minus 2 minus 1, the inside is x minus 2, so h is positive 2. The sign flipped from minus 2 to positive 2. The outside is minus 1, so k is negative 1, unchanged. The vertex is 2 comma negative 1. Let's graph y equals the absolute value of x minus 2 minus 1. Step 1, the vertex is 2 comma negative 1, so plot that point first. It is the bottom tip of the V. Step 2, from the vertex, go up 1 and right 1, and up 1 and left 1, using the V's symmetry. Connect the arms, and the V is complete. The V shape is perfectly symmetric around its vertex. That means equal distances to the left and right give equal outputs. One step left of the vertex and one step right land at the same height. This symmetry lets you plot the whole graph from just the vertex and a couple of points on one side. Because two different inputs can share the same distance, an absolute value equation often has two solutions. If the absolute value of x equals 3, then x could be positive 3 or negative 3. Both are 3 units from 0. So when you solve, remember to look for that second answer. The V shape is a reminder that two inputs can match. 3 traps. First, do not forget the inside sign flips. X minus h means h is positive. Second, absolute value bars are not just parentheses. They force the result to be non-negative. Third, do not stop at one solution when two distances are possible. Respect the V, and both answers appear. Let's lock it in. Absolute value measures distance, so the graph is a V that never goes below its vertex. In y equals the absolute value of x minus h plus k, the vertex is h comma k, with h's sign flipped. Use the V's symmetry to plot, and remember that equations can have two solutions. The V shape, mastered. Wonderful work today. You can now find the vertex, graph the V, and solve absolute value equations. Your mastery check is the 10 practice questions for this session. For each one, read the vertex, use the symmetry, and look for two solutions. To read the full lesson notes and practice more GED graphs and functions questions, visit the course page at www.bridgetoexam.com. I will see you in session 16, where we discover quadratic patterns and parabolas. Keep going. You are doing great.